guys, so sitting in my Evo at the moment, it's actually Christmas Eve here, and it looks like I've been given a bit of an early Christmas present. So my tuner has just sent me a new map to load in. I'm not sure if you can see that down there. It actually says Flames 1. So I thought I'd just make a quick video on how to load a new map. So I'll be using the Tatrix cable and ECU flash. So what we need to do is we'll click on the map that he's sent me, and that'll download. I've already actually downloaded it, and this is my completed maps section. So this one that's got the OO at the end, that was my final map that he was happy with when I was tuning. So that's got a 98 octane tune and an E85. Now this one will be the same, but the E85 tune will be the flame one. So apparently it'll have spark cut launch control with the two-step, and we'll shoot a lot more flames. At the moment I do shoot flames, but it's kind of more 7,000 RPM when I back off, when I'm sort of wide open throttle. And whenever we go on any cruises or meets, everyone in front of me seems to be just shooting flames at 3,500 RPM. So I thought, yeah, they're probably wasting a lot of fuel, but I wouldn't mind being able to switch between the two. So I will have to actually get the laptop and flash them across whenever I want to get rid of it, if I want to save some fuel. But I'm excited to check it out. So what we'll have to do is we need to plug in our Tatrix cable. So it'll go down the bottom here, and always remember it actually goes backwards. Okay, so that's in, and you'll see it light up. A bit dark, but it'll light up with different colours when it's in. And we just have to plug the other end into our laptop. Okay, so we get the Tatrix plugged in into the laptop, and down the bottom there in the OBD2. So then we'll click on this Flames map, and we want to open it with ECU flash. Okay, now if you haven't used this before, I'll try and make another video in the future of how to sort of log a tune if you're doing a remote tune. But so you'll need Evo scan, but this is if you've already got that all set up. Your tuner will send you a definition file. So this will be this down here. It's got everything that he set up. And then this is our new map here, Flames 1. So what we'll do, flick the key without starting the engine. And then, it's this one here, we want to write currently loaded ROM to ECU's memory. Click that. It'll make sure our ignition is on. So we don't want to start the car, we just want the ignition on. So we'll click OK. So we'll get our fans will come on. We'll get a whole heap of check lights as it runs through everything. You see down here, it's going through everything. when you're doing this, you want to make sure you do not shut the engine off or unplug your laptop or anything like that. Just want to let it do its whole thing. Okay, operation completed successfully. We are done with that. So then we'll turn off. And then when we start the car back up, it should have the new map in. Turn our engine back off. Back into ignition on mode, engine off. Okay, that's done. Start the car back up. And check engine light is gone. So I'm not sure if we're going to get a chance of going away for Christmas, but we'll finish this video off when I get someone who can sort of film for me, see the sort of flames we can get. As much as I'd love to check out the spark cut mode right now in the garage, I don't think my neighbours will appreciate it, and the engine's a bit too cold for that. So I'll wrap this up here, and we'll continue this on in a couple of days when I get the chance to really test this new map out. Okay, so we've picked this up a couple of days later. Just got home from Christmas travels. First thing I wanted to do was jump in the car and see if we could test out this new flame tune. So I've got a couple of flames going here, and we also tried out the spark cut launch control without actually launching. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. guys, so that'll do for today's video. We definitely checked out the new tune, we got a lot of flames and tried out the spark cut. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.